And for the second part of our fun evening tonight, we're going to bring Masha and her friends into their new home. I have started the smoker this time. I like the idea about the sugar water, but I don't think it works. Alright, girls? Very nice. Hello, how are you, ladies? Okay. Good job. Much calmer. I like Masha very much. Alright, Masha ladies. Let's see. Sugar, no cream. How do you like your new home? Excellent. Okay. Alright, ladies. Let's go. Drones, eggs, lots of bees. Good job, ladies. Welcome. All right. The next one is clearly very busy. Let's see. Okay. No queen. Drone, bee. This one has some larvae. Beautiful. Some larvae over here. Very nice, girls. Keep working. Beautiful job. Okay. Oh, this one has even more ladies. Okay. Hello. How are you, girls? Okay. Oh, they have been working hard. Always make sure that you have your hive tools nearby. Always, always, always. Those girls are hard working. I know. Yep. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Oh, very nice. Hello, ladies. I see. Honey. I see lots of bee workers. Oh, I see one comb that it looks like they're getting ready to make another queen. I don't know why I'm seeing that, but I'll definitely watch this one. Oh, there she is. I found the queen. She is gorgeous and she's big. Very nice. Welcome, my lady. You're beautiful. Ooh. Very nice. Good job. So the queen is here. Welcome, ladies. I know. Fairly uncomfortable. Good job. My smoking tool is a little bit too hot. I don't want to burn those ladies. We're going to shake them off. Welcome home. Alright. Welcome, ladies. There's a few more in the box, but they can fall down by themselves. I want to give them sugar. It's been a long drive for them. I want to make sure they have enough things to eat. And I'm going to try to shake off the rest of the bees from the box. And then we have to close it off. Welcome home, ladies. Very nice. Good job. Alright. Hi. We're going to put the lid. And this is going to be for the tonight's adventure. That lid is not working very well with my feeder. So if that happens, boys and girls, I need to grab very quickly another frame so I can put it on top, or if not the entire frame, I need a box so the feeder can fit inside. So I'm gonna get that started in a second, and I'm gonna turn the camera off.